Hi, I'm Sandi Phillips with Compass Real Estate. I wanted to give you a quick update on the local real estate market and some of the trends I have been seeing. We have been experiencing very low inventory. This is driving our market here in the desert. We've seen record-breaking sales prices throughout the Coachella Valley. The median price for a detached home in the Coachella Valley is $581,500. That's up 17% from last year. Most cities have exceeded all-time high prices since 2006. On September 1st, total inventory in the valley was 836 units, compared to 1,959 units last year. That's a 57% drop. This lack of inventory is driving the reduced activity we are currently witnessing. Days on market is now at 25 days, compared to 56 days a year ago. This would suggest we are in a housing environment with little price risk. I've been here in the desert for 26 years, selling real estate from Palm Springs to La Quinta. Let me help you with any of your real estate needs, whether you're buying or selling.